friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am here to bring a very interesting and easy quick DIY for you all. This is daily dose of motivation. So in order to start our day with positivity and some positive thoughts, let's create some DIY to make our life colorful, happy, joyful, and all the positive words you can think of. So for this you will need a mason jar like this, a pickle jar or jam jar, some colorful stones or other colorful decoration items like styrofoam balls or these colorful painted leaves. These colorful chits of paper which have printed quotes written on them. You may also use handwritten quotes, colorful quotes like this. I'll read a few of them for you. Nothing is impossible to a willing heart. All great achievements require time. It's never the situation, it's your reaction to the situation. The reward of a thing well done is to have done it. Okay, so like this we have different chits and we will use this jar as a daily dose of motivation. What you have to do is you have to use these quotes in order to start your day, and believe me, you are going to have a wonderful day. I got this idea from my sister. She already uses this. She has this kind of jar placed on her kitchen table where she uses it, and I also get attracted to it whenever I visit her. So I always take out one sheet of paper and see what it says to me. So I found it really very interesting and I wanted to share this with you all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these stones, colorful stones, in this jar. Then these colorful leaves or dried flowers. After that I will use these chits and will place them in the jar. What you can do is you can take out a chit every day. You may read it, and either you, if you want, you can place it inside every day, or you can keep it safely to some other place, to some other container, so that you do not get the same quote again. Until this has to be repeated once all the quotations are done. So each day you will take out one and place it in another container. Then after it gets empty, you can change the quotations or you may repeat them by pouring them all again inside this jar. Now what you have to do is you have to place it at a corner or a place which is accessible to you daily in the morning, so that you go to this jar, take out the chit, read it, and start your day with a happy mood. That's it. I hope you like this DIY. Please share your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay positive, keep crafting with AJ.